In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the fastest way to fill your cells with just one value right here in Google Sheets. So if ever you have to fill your entire spreadsheet with the same value, this is the fastest way you would do it. So for example, if you were to fill this cell right here with the word hello, there you have it, and you want to multiply it across your spreadsheet, what you would normally do would be to copy and paste it like this, or you can select arrange and paste it like that. There you go. Or you can also do this where you click on this bottom right corner of that cell, drag it down, then across your spreadsheet, and there you have it. But again, if you're trying to fill the entire spreadsheet with the same value, what you're going to do is to copy that same value with your keyboard shortcut, or you can just simply right-click, select copy, or do your keyboard shortcut of Control or Command C. Then select your entire spreadsheet by either doing your keyboard shortcut again of Control A, there you have it. Or if you're not keen to using your keyboard shortcut, you can also just click on this tab right here in between your rows and your columns on the top left corner. So if you click on that, it will do the same thing. So once you've selected all of the cells within your spreadsheet, what you're going to do now is to just paste. So again, keyboard shortcuts, Control V or Command V, and there you have it. We have filled our entire spreadsheet with the same value of hello. There you have it. If I jump to the end of my columns, here we go. At the very end of those columns, that's Z1000. We have filled our entire spreadsheet with the same value of hello. And there you have it. So quick method on how you can do that. Again, you can just select all, then paste that value. And there you have it. That's the fastest way to fill your cells with one value or with the same value right here in Google Sheets. If you still need extra help with Sheets, I have a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.